This closet project was so satisfying. This was for an actress who is always on the go. She would come home, barely have enough time to unpack her luggage, go through any mail or packages that have come in, and then she would have to pack another suitcase to be on the road for weeks or sometimes even months at a time. So, in the rare moment that she was able to be at home, I was able to come over and help her kind of get everything into categories. Her closet was just really not functional. There was too much stuff kind of just crammed in everywhere, and so she couldn't find what she needed. So we pulled everything out, put it into categories. She did an awesome job of decluttering the things that she no longer wanted or things that she knew she would never wear. And then we rearranged some of the shelves just to make the space function better for her needs and put it back together again. And I think the results are so fun. It's very functional for her. She can reach everything she needs. She can see everything she has. And we were even able to add in some fun little design elements. The best part about this project is that we did not have to use any products or purchase anything in order to make this space even more organized.